What is going on, everybody? I want to welcome you guys to the stream and give you guys a little intro here, a little countdown, a little intro, and then we'll get at it.
Trade, yeah. Hold on for the life I'm saying, yeah. Hold on for the life I'm saying, yeah.
So there you go, guys. Little intro for you, just hodl, guys. Right now in this market, we're gonna go through some pre-markets. We're gonna do some things. Still trying to get this live down packed. And so I can bring you guys the best quality, but we're gonna roll with trial and error for a little while. So with that, guys, let's go through some pre-market stuff. Let's get into some meme coin stuff. Let's get into some investment stuff. Just see where we're at today from a market standpoint. As you guys can see, pre-markets are all red. Much like we expected, had a little bit of a rally yesterday. But you know, with where we're at in the market right now, it's Friday, and Friday's a big day for the markets. It sets up for the weekend, so I would say pay more attention to how the markets close today, and that will give you a better indication of how the actual weekend's going to go. But right now, it doesn't look like the pre-markets are too good. The Dow is down roughly about 356 points. The S&P is down roughly about I would say like 47, probably 47, 48 points, which isn't too bad. The NASDAQ is down 450 points, which just changed on us as we were talking. So it's about 159 now. So it's getting a little bit better. So we'll see how the market actually opens, but that's kind of where we are from a pre-market standpoint, guys. Headline here is Dow futures tumble 200 points. Head for big losing week on fear of the Fed's overreaching. So right now the market is thinking that the Fed rate increases are a little bit much going into the rest of 2022, going into 2023. So the market's reacting to that. I think the market was okay with the 75 basis point hike. I think that was what everybody was expecting. I think what the market's really reacting to is the continued rate increases that are coming at us through the Fed. So we have to keep our eye on that, because if the market believes that the Fed is really overreaching, they're going to start adjusting their trading strategies for that, and you'll see a constant decline in the market. I will tell you guys that I do believe that Ethereum is going to hit $1,000. If you want to know why, go ahead, check out my video. I put a video together on my channel about why I believe Ethereum is going to get to $1,000 relatively quickly here, and it's based solely on the data coming out of the stock market and how that correlates to the crypto market. So because all this stuff plays together, guys. That's why we look at the stock market every day. Go ahead and look at the crypto market, see where we're at this morning. Market cap, we always start by looking at market cap. We're at 930, call it 35, 36 billion. That's down from yesterday, when we were up to about 9 billion 60, somewhere up in there, give or take some. So we're actually, more money is actually coming out of the market. which actually isn't good for crypto long term here for the day. It's Bitcoin. We're back into the 18,000s. I'm sorry. So it's coming down a little bit. We're struggling right now to hold that 19,000 mark. It's up, it's down, it's in the 19,000 side of the 19,000s. We're having a hard time holding that line right now. So any negative news, any negative sentiment could send Bitcoin, down a little bit. And we all know what happens when Bitcoin goes down. The market goes down. As you guys look, it's down today. The market's down today. So Bitcoin really runs the market, guys. Call it what you want, but that's what it is. And they're struggling to hold this 19,000 mark. Ethereum, we're down in the 1,200 range right now. 1,300. Been hovering around that for a couple days now. Again, same with Bitcoin. Any negative sentiment coming into the market right now, you're gonna see a drop in this price, and I do believe that you are gonna see $1,000 Ethereum soon. Like I said, check out my video. I'll explain why. I don't think that the stock market's going to hold itself where it is right now. I think it's going to dip a little bit further, and I explain why in the video. So BNB, guys, it just holding. They're 273 right now. It's hovering between 270 in the 270s and in the 280s. The past couple months, past couple weeks, call it what you want. It's pretty stable. This BNB, if you look at the chart, has a little bit less volatility in it through these markets than Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is surprising, but it does. And BNB is going to be a big power player moving forward, and it seems to have a whole less volatility in it right now. But take a look at XRP, just going absolutely ape shit the past couple days. It's up to 48 cents right now. The fact that these guys in this case keeps getting closer and closer to coming to a resolution with the SEC, and it looks like XRP is going to go ahead and win that case if everything goes the way that it should and there's no surprises, and the market is showing that right now, and XRP is just on its own mission right now. Cardano is at 45 cents. We'll get into an article about ADA here in a minute, a little bit later on. So DOT has again come up to the 11th spot here. Well, it's been at the 11. I'm sorry. Doge is still at the 10 spot here. It overtook DOT last week. Seems to be able to maintain that spot there. It's at 6 cents. Polygon is 74 cents, guys. It's been hovering right around that 74, 76 cent level for a couple days. So it's kind of trying to hang in there the best that it can in this market. Polygon's got a lot going for it right now. I'm a big Polygon fan, so it's just one of these layer twos. I think it's the best layer two out there right now, and it's going to be hard for anybody to overtake that position. Coming off of the XRP moon in big run up, you're looking at Stellar. XLM also has a nice little run going on. It's up to 12 cents. This thing for months and months and months has been hovering between 9 and 10 cents. Got it. It touched 11 a couple times and came back down to 10. But with the XRP run, you can see it's up. It's up right now, and I think this thing will run with XRP. You got Chronos here. It's up a little, 11 cents today. It's been sitting at 10 cents for a little while. It's just into the 11 cents. This is, Chronos. I own a decent amount of Chronos, but I look at it more like ADA. It's really a slow mover. It's really something that you can just accumulate over time and just sit on for a while, because it's not going to go way up really quickly. It just moves kind of slow. In ApeCoin, guys, it's kind of doing its thing. Um, it's performing a little bit better than the market right now. So, you would expect this to be down in the fours with where the market is right now, but it's kind of outperforming the market. Much like, I don't want to say XRP and XLM because it's not that high, but it's doing a little bit better than what the market's doing. Flow, I'm invested in Flow. I really like Flow. I do have a video on Flow as well. Check that out on my channel and some of the stuff that they're doing, and the partnerships that they have with some of the major NBA and NFL and some of the major sports teams. So, quick rundown of some of the top cryptos that we have right now. So, but the big thing is the market cap in crypto continues to decline a little bit every day, which doesn't bode well for us short term, until this market starts to turn around a little bit. So, you'll hear me say this a couple times today: invest wisely, be smart. Be smart about where you're putting your money, and make sure you're dollar cost averaging in, because the market's really volatile right now. So let's kind of come over here, take a look at some of our investments and where they're performing at right now. Some of the big players I think that are coming up. And these aren't your necessarily top 25 cryptos, and some of them are meme coins, but these are the ones that we look at every day. Bone, it's at $1.43 right now. Anybody who got in at $1.08 the other day on the dip, congrats, you're up good. So Bone, as you guys may or may not know from listening in, is going to be the gas for the Shibarium blockchain. So Bone is probably the asset to own right now in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and it is performing that way. It's this thing a couple months ago was down in the 50, 60s, even 70-cent range. You could have got it, but right now, it's at 143 and doesn't show any signs of going back down to them levels. It did dip down to like the 108 level at some point and really bounced hard off of that. So anybody who got it there, congrats, like I said. But Bone's performing well right now. It's really bouncing back from that downturn that we had. Let's see, I'm going a certain order here. We talked about ApeCoin. Go ahead and look at Gala, guys. I think Gala Games and Gala ecosystem itself is going to be a big player in the next bull run. They have a lot of stuff going on. They have Gala Games, they have Gala Music, they have Gala Movies. Turn around, and they're also building a blockchain where this Gala coin that you hold right now, if you hold it, that I do, will become the gas, much like we just talked about with Bone being the gas for the Shibarium blockchain. This will be the gas for the Gala blockchain. Right now it's sitting at about 4 cents. It's hovering around this 4 cent level. It's been up to as high as 4.5, 4.6 lately, but it's really making its support here at this like 4 cent, 4.1, and 4 cents, 4.1 level right here. It did dip down to like 3.9 here, 3.8, 3.9 here. So I did pick up some here. I happened to be on um, on my trading app when this happened. So I did pick some up here. So I continually add to the Gala bag. Just think that this is a long-term play, guys. This isn't something that's going to 10x tomorrow. It's nor are either any of these cryptos going to do that right now, just because of the market cap. So and where we're at in the market right now. So everything we're talking about right now, we're really talking about long-term plays, guys. So Gala is a long-term play for me, and it's hovering right there around that 4 or 5 level there. So we talked about flow earlier. Let's go ahead and take a look at Coa Combat. Coa Combat. I'm impressed with Coa Combat in the meme token realm. They're building right now. They have a sports betting platform. Tokens, really built around the MMA, lifestyle, nutritional supplements, CBD line. Like I said, betting platform. And they just continually build, have their own pay-per-view channel. So these are the meme tokens that I like, the ones that are have revenue outside of just the tokenomics in the bear market, and that continually build and build on their business during the bear market. They are bringing back some of the profits from their business to buy back and burn tokens here on a blockchain, and it's a true burn. It's a true buyback and burn. So Coa Combat, they're performing kind of like the market's performing. They're down, much like you'll see on a lot of these other charts. They're just down because the market's down. But this again is a long-term play, and if you believe in people that are building in this bear market, getting ready for the bull market, take a look at Coa Combat. I think they have a lot to offer anybody, especially if you're a sports fan. There's a lot going on there. And they have spaces every night, 7:45 Eastern Standard Time. So go ahead and check the community out. Community strong. Let's go ahead and take a look at Volt. Volt just got listed on another tier 1 exchange in the and it's a tier 1 exchange in the United States. It's Bittrex, which is a pretty big exchange. They do a lot of volume, and it's a tier 1. And it's Volt's second tier 1, which is a big accomplishment for any meme coin. So, Volt's doing Volt things, and like I say on here often, Volt's going to be Volt, and Volt's going to do Volt, and their community is strong, and their community is always buying the dips and always all over the place and always doing stuff. Like they voted 2 cities already, and now they're voting the 3rd in Dallas. I'm not sure if they're done yet, but I know they were voting that city. They're paying electric bills. You can check that out on Twitter, see how you can enter into that. And then they have the big tier 1 listing with Bittrex, and Volt's doing Volt stuff, guys. They're down a little bit, 607343. They did get to 5 zeros. They did give one back during this whole ETH dump, but I'm a firm believer they'll get that 0 back, and there won't be any issues here. Volt is a strong community-based token. They're doing stuff. They have the Volt chain coming out, which has a built-in burn for Volt, which is good. So if we can burn up some of the supply, even if it's a little, that's a good thing. So, Volt's going to do Volt, and Voltoshi seems to have this thing figured out of where he wants to go, and him, she, whoever, a team, we don't really know who they are, but we just know that they're delivered us, I believe, 35 exchanges in a multi-chain that's coming out, an NFT line, and all kinds of holders, like 14,500 holders. So this token's strong, guys. The project that I think has a lot of upside that I'm really bullish on right now is MetaMonkey AI. The what they're bringing to the space right now is something that is not out here right now, and they just came out with some big news yesterday. Let's see, pull that right now here. See where it went right here. MetaMonkey AI's Pure Wallet, they're going to release actually today on the Google Play Store in collaboration with NS Labs. And this wallet is an online offline wallet, guys. And this wallet is going to change the way that we look at wallets to make online offline transaction is something that's really not out there right now. And is new to the space, and they're releasing this in record time. This token's only been out for less than 30 days, and they've already came out with 4 exchanges. LBank, Bitmark goes live today. BKEX is live now. LBank is live now. So, these guys are making things happen. Dev team's making things happen. Telegram is always jumping. You can drop by there and check out Fan and Lena and tell them I sent you over there. And they're always have good information and can answer any of your questions. But this Pure Wallet's coming out, and it's coming out either today or tomorrow on the Google Play Store. They're going to release it today to the Google Play Store, but then it's all about how fast Google puts it out there to everybody. So, but within the next couple of days, we're going to be able to kick this wallet around a little bit, guys. And I'm excited for it. I've never had a wallet where you can make offline exchanges, so interested to see how this thing's going to work. So, MetaMonkey AI, it's down. It's down with the market. It's actually below launch price. So, anybody who wants to accumulate, now is a great time to accumulate and get on a team that's building. So, and they're building. Some phone dinging at me. So let's look at the Terrarium Exchange token, the Terrarium token here. You're looking at 907859. Again, another cryptocurrency. I have some money in. I'm not looking to put any more in there right now. I'm content with where I'm at, but that doesn't mean that you have to be. They are below launch price. They're coming out with a centralized exchange in November. It looks like that seems to be on track. Do need some more information about that centralized exchange, about where they're going to release it. We're talking about Dubai, we're talking India, and we're talking the United States. But we're in the United States and things like that. So hopefully October-ish, we'll get some more information about exactly where they're going to do the exchanges and how they're going to look and where this thing's going to launch at. But they are eventually going to create their blockchain, where the Terra token that you have now will be the gas for the blockchain. You guys keep hearing me talk about gas for the blockchain, creating a blockchain, your token you hold now being the gas, because that's when your tokens become valuable. And that's why we really talk about Gala and Bone and soon to be MetaMonkey AI and Matic and tokens like that, because when a blockchain's created, that's when you actually have full utility of your token. So it's not the centralized exchange aspect or anything like that. It's really, when that blockchain's created and you get to be the gas, the token you hold gets to be gas. So, that's kind of where you start to really make your money. So, Terra's working their way there. We need some execution and, see if they can execute it. But right now, this is a good play because it's below launch price if you're not in yet. So it's Terra. Go through that. Let's go through some of the news today. Fortnite Creator Epic Games helps raise 30 million for metaverse for a metaverse firm. Epic is also working with Gala Games as well. Epic is one of these game creators that is really starting to put a lot of stake into cryptocurrency, metaverse, blockchain development. I think that they see the future of gaming. They see the future of where blockchain can take gaming outside of your traditional gaming platforms. Now, I'm not a gamer. I put that out there, but what I do is I keep track of these things that are going on so that, we know where the money's going. And if these big corporations are on board with blockchain development and not, and it seems like Epic Games really are, and you're starting to see more and more of these big game developers come over to blockchain development, which lets you know that the metaverse and blockchain gaming is going to be a big player in the bull run. So I'm not going to ever sit here and tell you what to buy and what to sell and what not to buy, but you should, if you don't have a gaming token in your portfolio, you should really do some research as to which one you want to put in there and at least diversify and get one in, because there's going to be some big developments with blockchain gaming. Russia officials approved the use of crypto for cross-border payments. In any other environment, this would be great news for the cryptocurrency market. But in this environment right now, and we're talking about Russia, maybe not such of a great development, because this is going to spur the United States and the rest of the countries to say, let's cut this off, because they're trying to choke Russia's financial sector, because, obviously Russia's at war with Ukraine and are trying to, cut their financials down and in the way that they can move money in hopes of really having some negotiating power with Russia and their financial system. But, at the end of the day, it's good news that another country like as big as Russia is jumping on a crypto bandwagon and really, using it for cross-border payments and using it for the things that it was meant for and developed for, which is, moving money really fast and anywhere in the world and, in seconds. But, probably would like to see another country make these headlines besides Russia. But, at the end of the day, the crypto market is an international market. So, we take what you can get and hope other countries jump on board. Cardano's VASI hard fork upgrade goes live. This is big for ADA and Cardano. This is something that's been in the works for a long time. It's had some ups and downs. It's had its bumps and bruises through the process. We talked about Cardano a little bit before. Price is a little up from where it has been over the past 12 months, strictly due to the hard fork coming out right now. I believe Cardano, it took them a while to get here. It took them a while to really create this hard fork and roll it out to people. So I hope it goes well for them. I hope it's successful because of the amount of time it took to get it done. So I hope that it's done correctly, so that we can have some success in the crypto market. Good job to Cardano. Good job to the creators of Cardano and the hard fork, and let let's hope it's a success for everybody. And the creator of Cardano, I believe, is a very smart man, and I think he has a lot to offer the crypto market. And I'm just happy that the Cardano holders, now have the hard fork. I do not own any ADA, I'll tell you that now. But any good news is good news, and let's hope it takes off. So peeking back here at the crypto market, the pre-markets, I mean, they're still all in red. We'll see how we open up, but today's Friday, so it's really more about how we finish, not how we open. So because that sets us up for the weekend. So with that, there's our quick run through of everything. Let me give you guys a overview of kind of where I think we're at right now from a crypto market perspective, and the things that I think that people should watch out for, and what we should expect this weekend. Going into the weekend, it's Friday. I think we're really in a state of accumulation in the crypto market, accumulation of assets, accumulation of bags that you have and plays that you once couldn't afford to get in or wasn't sure about. You can get in now at a reasonable price. It looks like a lot of the meme coin sector is actually below launch price or close to launch price. So if there was a project that you were 50-50 on and you wanted to throw a little bit of money at it, now might be a good look, because it's probably a little bit close to launch price or below. Like I said, I can tell you I'm very selective on my meme coins in this aspect of the market right now, of where we're at. I think that you don't overextend yourself in that realm. I can tell you my portfolio is 60% Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, 30% altcoins, and 10% in the meme coin realm. And that's just how my portfolio set up. That doesn't mean that's how your portfolio has to be set up, but I think that that's the best way to protect my assets. So with that, I see my stream is kind of getting a little fuzzy right now. I'm not sure why. There's a line up going across the top. So I'll wrap this up pretty quick here for you guys. But my thought is, be careful in your investments. Dollar cost average in. There's going to be more pain in the market to come. Know that when you're investing. Don't jump into plays that you think are going to 10x tomorrow or the next day or a month from now, because that's probably not going to happen. And also, anybody who's telling you that, like, be careful about what they're saying and who you're listening to, because the market doesn't dictate that happening right now. So be careful. So make sure you have a plan moving forward, a long-term plan moving forward. We're talking 12 to a 24-month plan about your investment strategies, and make sure you're invested in projects that you believe in. Nobody's going to, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that one project is better than another project and you should invest in this project and not that project. It's all about what you believe in the direction that you want to go with your investments, but make sure that you have a long-term plan for anything that you're invested in right now. I do see ETH going to 1,000. Like I said, check my video out. I fully explain why. I believe that. So with that, guys, there's your morning chat with Danny. But check out MetaMonkey AI. They're delivering everything that they said that they were going to deliver. And if they continue, then they're going to deliver a lot of things that are going to change the space. Check out Koa Combat, guys. Koa Combat's another one of them tokens that just deliver. They do it. They do it based around the community, and man, they just deliver. They just keep delivering. Community's great. Check out that. Check out some of these top 25 coins. See where you can get in on the ones you believe in, and dollar cost average your way into the rest. The rest of the market for another 12 or 24 months into them top 25, and trade safe, trade smart, protect your investments. Don't do anything too rash. Don't do anything too quick. Don't go selling off all your assets. Don't do any of that. The market's going to be the market. The market will go down. The market will come up. So, just hang in there, guys. It's going to be a bumpy ride. We'll get through it. We'll get through it together. And with that, I'm out. Appreciate your guys' time. Have a great day. See you guys again some point this weekend.